Welcome back, Rico Moneybags. Today we're going to be talking about this exclusive airdrop that's epic for the Feg token holders and those who are signed up to the BYDFi. I'm going to get into all the details, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the very end of the video for those safe details. Let's go ahead and get started. But first off, let's go ahead and make sure we like and retweet everything. I'm going to call on the Feg army to come over here and explode this tweet by BYDFi on this airdrop, because not only is this a great opportunity for us to load up on some more Feg, but this is a great opportunity for people to learn how strong this community is and how big this community is. You guys can see I practice what I preach. I got this hashtag Feg token, hashtag smart DeFi. And if you guys can, head over to at BYDFi and make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure the bell notification is lit, like that you guys do not miss out on any of their official posts, especially if it has to do with the Feg token, just like this. We only got 17 likes and 7 retweets. We need to make this go through the roof, so everybody seeing this on this BYDFi app will know that this community is huge. Also, I want to add, this right here is my official X page. Right here, I have the Moneybags mansion. You guys are not going to want to miss out what's going to be going on in that Telegram. All the AMAs with smart DeFi tokens, all the whitelists, all the pre-sales, everything's going to be in that smart DeFi as you were. Everything's going to be inside that Telegram, the Moneybags mansion. You guys are not going to want to miss out on that. I'm going to have the link down below. Also, I do want to add, this number has grown substantially since I posted it. So I posted this December 1st, just yesterday. I'm going to check this out right now on the app live, what number we're at right now. So far, we're at 738 people are tapped in. That's 738 people that probably didn't know about Feg token that now know about Feg token. And it's very simple. We're going to go over the task, how easy it is to claim, and we're also going to go over some details of what's going on with Feg token today. Let's start off right here. So we got join the BYDFi Feg airdrop event and get ready to split your share of these Feg tokens. These are the details you guys will want to keep in mind. We're going to launch a new airdrop event of the Feg token. So starts on the 1st, yesterday, ends on the 12th. Make sure that you claim before 3 days after this is over, okay? Or it ends on the 11th, as you were. It ends on the 11th. So number one, participants are required to complete the KYC. Nobody has to deposit any money. If you do not want to deposit any crypto, any cash, anything, you don't have to participate in this. Simply complete the task on a daily basis. It's very easy. The system will divide the Feg tokens according to the points held by the users at the end of the event. The points you have, the more points you have, the more coins you get. So don't miss out. Do not miss out. Help me spread this word by sharing these videos, like and subscribe. Leave some bullish comments down below, so those people who probably never knew about Feg token and they're using the BYDFi app, they go to YouTube and they go Feg token, they look it up, and boom, these videos show up. Then what? They're going to read the comments and see what kind of community we have. I need this community to stand up and really make some noise on this video, on the comments, on the posts, because not only is this a great campaign for us to accumulate Feg token, but it's also a great way for us to make our name known to those who don't know about Feg token just yet, and also don't know about what we have going on with the smart DeFi launchpad coming up. So number one, the KYC requirement. So you're gonna have to pass. The participants are required to complete the KYC, which is very simple. Winners are required to collect the prize within the 3 working days of the campaign ending. Malicious profit gaining behavior is strictly prohibited. So no cheating, not trying to make a bunch of accounts, trying to figure out a way to do this. Let's be honorable. Let's have some integrity and do this the right way. So like that, you can collect these Feg tokens, and people who are not affiliated with Feg token yet can do it the right way. If you're new to the channel or you haven't heard about Feg, make sure you follow these steps. So no cheating. Number 3, BYDFi reserves the right to interpret these terms and conditions any way they see fit. This program is not affiliated with Apple. The general announcement of the products may not be mentioned, may not be available in your country. But if we go over to their website, we can see, if we scroll down right here, that it is available in the United States and Canada and a lot of other countries, the UK as well. So go ahead and tap in. I have my official link on my X page. This is my referral code that not only signs you up, but puts you under my referral and gives you up to $150 bonus for perpetual trading. Inside the same Moneybags Mansion PG, I'm going to be putting some plays in there that you guys can benefit from those perpetual rewards that you're going to get from them. And if you want, load up on some more Feg after you make some profits, or simply just withdraw that and use it for whatever you like. Okay, these are um, the value that I'm trying to bring to this channel, that I'm going to bring to this channel, and also to that Telegram group. So we went over the details. We seen that they're available in the United States, Canada. They passed that. We also went to my page, making sure that that's all tapped in. Now let's head over to Feg Tokens official Twitter account, X page, formerly known as Twitter. Make sure you guys give them a follow at Feg Token. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Do the same with BYDFi, because I just checked earlier and the bell notification was not lit. So this is something that you guys are going to want to make sure. I do want to go over the updates of the Feg token. I know this is about the points, but if you made it this far to the video, let's talk about some juicy details, right? Are you ready for the SDL build up to begin? We have the Feg track. This is going to be coming up very soon. I want you guys to leave your comments and what you guys think that could potentially help the Feg track. You guys can leave it down below in these comments, but this is basically a teaser of what's to come to the Feg track, an app that works already so well. I was just showing my neighbor yesterday that you can watch how much you staked. You can see what's going on with your Feg app, right? The Feg track app. So this is something that we can go ahead and talk about the UI. Leave some comments down below. Also, inside of the Feg Telegram, you guys can go ahead and leave your comments about this UI, UX. I do want to talk about this really quick. Big shout out to the Feg Army retweeting these videos. We're getting this content out here. There is a buildup happening. We are in the bull market. We're not in the bull run yet, but just like it's hard for people to accept when the bear market's in and it takes months to finally call it, same thing goes for when the bull market's actually in. We have to realize that Bitcoin's cruising at over 38,000. That something's going on, right? I know we got the stuff in the ETF is in the air. Then they try to shake everybody. They shake the tree with the CZ stuff and all that. And Bitcoin goes down to 36K and then ramps right back up to 38K. Do not get shooken out of your spots. Not financial advice. Hold or sell whatever you guys want. Buy and sell whatever you guys want. But do not get shooken out. If you can read in between the lines, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. We got another video talking about the Smart DeFi Launchpad. So if you're interested on the Smart DeFi Launchpad, this is a video you guys want to check out. This video focuses on, what do we got right here? The more upcoming on the Launchpad itself. Basically the same video, just retweeted again. We got this Feg announcement. There's something by RTR Crypto that I want to talk about because this is just epic right here. Big shout out to RTR Crypto as well. Make sure you guys give them a follow, because I love this right here, this front running, because this is technology, more technology coming from the Feg team. Big shout out to the Feg team. Big shout out to the alien himself, Feg Rocks. More tech coming out. But if we remove the context of what we have right here, the underlining value of what Feg is doing is to bring safety to the Smart DeFi space, okay? So we have the Launchpad coming out. Not only do we have the Launchpad, we got the Graphene wallet down the road. We have, what don't we have basically coming down the road? But let's get into this front run protection, because this is something that we're going to experience right away, okay? So front run protection is Smart DeFi's, in Smart DeFi is a crucial feature, ensuring enhanced security for transaction. Here's a breakdown on how it functions, okay? What is front run protection, you ask? That is basically when your transaction is getting front run or sandwiched in between two transactions. So you'll get less tokens for the same amount of money that you would have got. Let's say you would have put 1 ETH, got 100 tokens. If your transaction gets sandwich, potentially you get 75 tokens or even 50 tokens depending on that for that same 1 ETH. That's just an example, okay? Not financial advice. So number one, trade analysis. The system scrutinizes the last 4 trades. The comparative check. It compares whether the most recent trade is significantly larger than the average of the previous 3 trades, making sure you're not getting sandwiched. Number 3, detecting front running. If the latest trade is unusually outside the average range, it's likely an indication of potential front running. That's a warning. Number 4, wide application. This safety net employs across vital activities, including converting LP, backing conversions, and purchasing Feg token during the LGE. Number 5, and I got some more stuff for you guys. Number 5, the empowerment. Users also have the privilege to activate this feature for their own transactions, offering an additional layer of security. Through this innovative approach, Smart DeFi reaffirms its commitment to a secure and equitable trading experience for all users. When we remove the context on everything to do with Feg token, the Smart DeFi Launchpad and what it's about, and how it has that baseline growing, the asset backing, everything is to secure and make sure that we don't leave a bitter taste in anybody's mouth that is new to crypto and is adopting through Smart DeFi or through Feg token. This is something that when you remove the context on every tech that is coming out from Smart DeFi, from Feg token, from this team, is safety, to make sure that people can ease their way in. Same thing with the Launchpad. Let's go over some of the pictures of the Launchpad really quick. Make sure you guys take a coffee break with me, and during that coffee break, like and subscribe, share the videos. I'm looking at my analytics. I'm so excited to see that the Feg Army is sharing my videos. The subscriber to non-subscriber ratio is growing, where subscribers are not just watching the videos. It doesn't cost anything. It is free 99 to subscribe. Go ahead and do so. Go ahead and scroll up. Got a picture right here. This is what this Launchpad is going to look like. The token name, LFG, the token supply. This is a summary of the tokenomics. Launch and create the token. In that Moneybags mansion, I'm going to do something. I want you guys to read in between the lines. You guys want to fill that room in with like-minded individuals. I'm not going to fluff up that TG like a lot of other ones. I'm not going to say no names, but a lot of them have a lot of bots in it. That's going to be organically grown. That's going to be real investors, like-minded investors in there that want the same thing. What is that thing? Financial freedom, and helping each and every other person on the side of us, in front of us, behind us, to understand what's going on in decentralized finance, which is going to be known as Smart DeFi. So that's just a teaser on that. But again, once you look at everything, everything is designed to make sure that you are safe. I got videos on the Smart DeFi Launchpad where I go into more detail. I go to the Feg documentations and go into that, and you're going to see that the underlying thing is always going to be making sure that it is safe, because people will stay longer like that. Also, some of these tools are basically revenue, right? We're going to be gaining money from these things that we have. The front run bot, that's something that people pay for and stuff. So we're going to have that. Another thing before I get out of here and we talk about safety, every Smart DeFi token that launches on the Smart DeFi Launchpad will basically be audited by PegShield, because that same contract was audited by PegShield, and the Feg token is a Smart DeFi token. So keep that in mind. Make sure you guys give Feg token a follow. Make sure you guys give BYDFi a follow. Make sure you guys give me a follow, and make sure you guys load that Telegram up, because there's going to be a lot to come. I am cooking up something to make sure that we have a home base for all our Smart DeFi tokens, in a space where we can grow together and learn together, and learn about all this tech that's be coming out, because it's coming out one by one, back to back. And I'm very excited. The coffee got me going, and you guys got me pumped up. If you guys can help me get this word out there like you guys have been, be greatly appreciated. And if you guys cannot, continue to come back, experience the abundance. Until next time, you guys know what it is.